NRI Money Clinic. No hype, just the right advice.
Everyone looks for very safe investment. Do you know there is no instrument which is 100% safe? Every instrument you think of has one or the other risk which is built into it. Fixed deposits have an inflation risk. Currencies have a speculation risk. Real estate has a liquidity risk. Stocks have volatility risk. Gold has opportunity risk. You should know which one to use, when to use, how much to use. If you want to learn the art of investing, come and participate in the investor education program that I will be conducting. It will be a webinar on the net. If you are interested to participate in the program, fill in the forms below and send it to us. You can also send a WhatsApp message on the number that I have shown here on the screen. We have very limited number of seats. It will be on first come, first serve basis.
Press the bell icon for more details and subscribe our channel.